Today, we are going to cover how to set tine height, rotor curve, and windrow width on your Vermeer RR140s rotary rake to make sure you're making the windrow that's right for you. Before starting, be sure to refer to your operator's manual for detailed instructions and safety messages. First, let's walk through how to set tine height. Locate the tine height adjustment scale near the middle of the rotor. Remove the linchpin and pull the scale in the direction away from the handle. To raise the tines, rotate the handle clockwise. To lower the tines, rotate the handle counterclockwise. For optimal crop gathering performance and minimal windrow contamination, tine to ground clearance should be set to 0.2 to 0.6 inches on the front right corner of the rotor. Once the desired height is set, push the scale back over the handle to lock it and reinstall the linchpin. With the tine height set, let's take a look at how to adjust rotor curve to ensure there is no streaking or unraked crop. Locate the rotor curve adjustment lever near the center of the rotor on the right-hand side. Loosen the bolt using a 19mm socket or wrench. If you are raking wet crop or wanting the tines to rise later, move the handle to the right. If you are raking dry crop or wanting the tines to rise sooner, move the handle to the left. Once the adjustment has been made, retighten the bolt. Lastly, adjust the width of the windrow using the curtain. Loosen the pin handle to unlock the curtain support. Slide the curtain in or out to the desired windrow size. Once set, tighten the pin handle to lock the curtain support in place. With everything set, rake a short distance at your normal speed and measure the windrow to check your settings. Windrow width can be set between 28 and 47 inches for an overall raking width between 12.5 to 14 feet. Remember to set the width based on swath width and the width of your baler pickup. Keep in mind that windrow width can be influenced by tine to ground clearance, crop volume, and PTO speed. If an excessive amount of dust is being kicked up by the tines, it is likely that the tines are digging into the ground, or tine to ground clearance should be increased. If a streak of unraked crop material is being left behind the center of the rotor, it is likely that the rake arms are not lifting soon enough. It is also possible that ground speed may be too high. If a streak of unraked crop material is left behind the right side of the rotor, it is possible that the tine to ground clearance is too high and should be lowered. If a streak of crop material is left behind the inner sides of the rotor, it is likely that the PTO speed is too high and should be decreased. Now that you've optimized your rake to form the windrow you need, you're ready to hit the ground running. If you have further questions on optimizing your RR140s or other Vermeer hay tools, contact your local Vermeer dealer or visit Vermeer.com.
Thanks for watching. We hope this helps equip you to do more. Subscribe to our channel for more. And if you're interested in contacting a local dealer, visit Vermeer.com/dealer. Thanks again.